How to save your house from foreclosure in the state of California. Hello, I'm Realtor Russell with Enyart Real Estate Group, and today we're going to be covering how to save your house from foreclosure here in the state of California. We'll also review the foreclosure process, but before we get any further, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications of any future videos that we're doing here. Also, please don't take this as real estate attorney advice. If you are in trouble, please make sure that you reach out to your real estate attorney. If you want to reach out to me directly, you can click the link below and I will do my best to help you. We've saved lots of people from foreclosure, but again, this is not meant as legal advice. All right, here we go. First of all, you need to know that there are 3 stages of foreclosure. The first one is called notice of default. Here in the state of California, if you're significantly behind on your loan, the bank has the right through a third-party trustee to file what's called a notice of default. This will be a recorded deed at the county recorder's office and you will receive a mail notification. Now, this notice of default stage in the state of California lasts 90 days. You have lots of options during these 90 days. The bank has probably already reached out to you for some type of forbearance or some type of loan modification program. Again, during this notice of default stage, you have lots of options and there's many things that you can do. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you. Phone number and contact information is below. So that is the first stage, the notice of default stage. The second stage is called the notice of trustee sale stage. This is a much more critical stage. Not that the first stage wasn't critical, but this second stage is extremely important that you get something done quickly. This is a scary thing because they come to the house and they actually post a notice on the front door and say that your house is going to be sold at auction in 21 days. Now, this is the trustee that's handling the trustee sale. This is a 21-day period. Again, the first period was 90 days. The second period is 21 days. So the total process is 111 days. If you do absolutely nothing during that 111 days, the sale of the property will occur at the courthouse steps or at the office of the trustee or some other public designated location. Please, please, please don't let this happen to you. Again, if you need help anytime along the way, you can reach out to me, Realtor Russell at Enyart Real Estate Group. My information is posted there. Now, the third stage, which is the scary stage, and that is the real estate owned or REO period. This is after a property has gone through notice of default, which is that 90-day period, notice of trustee sale, which is that 21-day period, and then finally gone back to the bank and you now have a bank-owned property. Now, there's a bunch of new rules like SB 1079 that may throw a monkey into the wrench there at the end. However, as a homeowner, you need to make sure that you understand the notice of default, notice of trustee sale stages. Again, my name is Russell Enyart. Hopefully you found this video educational. We'll talk to you again soon and I'll catch you later.